Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. In the additional, not in today's newspaper of Thursday, May the 25th, 2023. I've told you earlier today, no extra puzzles. We have no additional in today's newspaper. No, it's the additional of last Friday, May the 19th, 2023. Yes, I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the zero Sudoku. And it's time now for the Tectonic with one star. Tectonic with one star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, a Suguru. And this will be number 6491. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, told you. Wait, let me position the camera first. Alright, okay. Yeah. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, but it's a tectonic. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one 16. Come on. 16. Yeah. 16 printed digits should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. And it's indicated for 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. So let's get started. Already 2 minutes passed. Alright. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? No single boxes here. What's happening? No single boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Then the following question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here single box, but it's already filled in the 1 here. Dual box, I have a dual box here, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes? I see here triple box. The 2 is already given. So those 2 boxes should be the 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can be a 4. We have a 4 there, so this box should be a 5. Okay. More triple boxes, no quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes here. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have the L shape, mirrored the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do you have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that, let me do this with the other pencil. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? The Z construction. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember the Z. If you flip this, you will get the S and rotate this. Yeah, you need to rotate this 90 degrees, then you will get the Z or the S. Yeah, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright, so that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the Z construction. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? No. Only one. And then the last shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, oh, yeah. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. In this case, it's a 4. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this Z construction. Should be there. Then let me see these 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place a 2 here. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this dual box should be here. And the 1 goes here. Well, now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Well, we have a double 3 here. That means that this box can be 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there. And the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then. Let me think. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Ooh, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, that means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So here can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3, and this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So no 3 there. So 2 boxes are left in this cross area. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3. Oh, wait. We have a 3 here, so I cannot place the 3 there. Alright, so the only place left for the 3 in this cross area should be there. Alright, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. If I place the 3 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. But we already have a 3 here. So it's not the solution. Place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. How about this box then? I've marked those two boxes earlier with 3. If I place a 3 here, well, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 there, so it's not a solution. Place the 3 there. The 3 is supposed to be here. Alright. Okay, and now, let me think. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. These are 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Well, I don't think this box should be a 5, because if I place a 5 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4, and that box should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. This box is connected with that box, should be a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this cross area. Should be there. Alright. Okay. Let me continue with these 2 boxes can be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and the 2. For the 2, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this cross area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Should be there. Oh. Okay. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 5. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. Same numbers, 2 numbers left in this area. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. So the other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Well, we need a 3 in this area. Well, this box can be a 3 anymore because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. and a 5 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, will be also 2. 1 box left in this squash area for number 5. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for almost 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there, finishing 15 minutes with a small break, yeah. Anyway, definitely a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, Friday, last working day of the week. Then we have a Saturday, but the coming Sunday, it's a Whit Sunday, and the day after Whit Monday we have a Whit Sunday. Then we have a Whit Monday. No newspaper on Monday, so we will see. Maybe I have some old puzzles for the Monday, but yeah, have a great and fantastic Thursday. We will meet you again tomorrow on a Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.